In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find related emails in Outlook. This is a useful skill to help you keep track of conversations and make sure you're not missing important context or messages. Let's dive right in. First, we need to open Outlook. If you're not familiar, Outlook is a powerful email client that lets you manage your emails, calendar, contacts, and more all in one place. Once you have it open, you'll want to make sure you're on the main mail view. You can usually get there by clicking on Mail in the bottom left corner if you're not already there. This is where you'll see your inbox and other folders. Once you're in your inbox, we want to make our way to the View tab. You can find this at the top of your Outlook window, along with other tabs like Home, Send, Receive, and Folder. Click on View, and you'll notice a variety of options appear in the ribbon below. These options let you customize your Outlook experience to fit your needs. From here, the next step is to enable a feature called Show as Conversations. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping emails related to the same discussion grouped together. So, look for an option labeled Show as Conversations in the Conversation section of the ribbon. When you click it, a small drop-down menu will appear, offering a couple of choices. Now, it's important to consider how broadly you want to apply this conversation view. You have two choices: this folder or all mailboxes. Selecting this folder will enable the conversation view for just the folder you're currently in. This is perfect if you want to focus on related messages in your inbox or another specific folder. On the other hand, if you want to see conversations grouped for all your emails across various folders and accounts, selecting all mailboxes is the way to go. This is especially handy if you're juggling multiple email accounts or if you like a comprehensive overview. With Show as Conversations selected and your preferred scope chosen, you'll notice that your emails will start to organize themselves. Conversations will be nested together under a single entry, which you can then expand or collapse by clicking the small arrow next to the grouped conversations. This way, older and newer messages within the same conversation are easy to navigate, and you won't miss any replies or important context. As a quick tip, remember that you can always switch back to your original view if you find this structure confusing or not suiting your workflow. Just head back to the View tab and uncheck the Show as Conversations option, and that's it. Now you know how to easily find and manage related emails in Outlook. This feature is fantastic for anyone who deals with complex email threads and needs to keep their communication clear and organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped you become more efficient with your email management.